everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another home tour for you. This time I've decorated for Easter. I hope you enjoy. I started with this corner of my living room. I recently did this gallery wall and I painted my dresser turquoise with a Dalmatian print top, and I added a few decorative touches for the Easter season. I fell in love with this gorgeous little gold lighted bunny that I picked up from Kmart. I styled it together with the Somebody Loves You sign from TK Maxx, as well as this adorable little pink bunny, which is from Target. I also added this adorable little banner that I picked up from Spotlight. I loved how it had these cute little bunnies in all different colours. I wanted to keep my mantle fairly simple, but I wanted to add a rustic side to the glam decor. I picked up this cute little white bunny from Kmart and I just added a dollar store rustic bow to the front. Kmart Australia have the most adorable range of Easter decor at the moment, like this sweet little rustic bucket that I picked up. I added some decorative flowers that I already had and fell in love with this beautiful banner for my mantle. It's cute little bunnies, guys, but I loved how the carrots were gold bling. As most of my friends overseas are preparing for the spring season, I decided to decorate my living room with lots of pops of turquoise. Turquoise, guys, would be my favourite colour, right up there with blush pink. I added to each side of my television 2 beachy style canvases that I picked up from the reject shop for just $10. I then added to my DIY fur chairs these gorgeous turquoise ruffled cushions, and I love how they made the room pop. On my coffee table I kept it really simple. This sweet little wreath was also from Kmart, and I added this turquoise little bunny that was from TK Maxx. I love grouping things together, guys, so I took this vase and added these beautiful fake flowers that are from the store Pillow Talk. I then had this sweet little bunny, which I also added another dollar store rustic bow. The little bunny is from Kmart Australia and the little pink Easter egg is from TK Maxx. On my couch, I decided to add these adorable little bunny cushions that I fell in love with at the store Pillow Talk. Guys, these were just $15 each, and how cute are they? To the side of my couch is this little DIY table. I've styled it with some Easter decor like this pink lighted bunny that I picked up from Target. And the little bowl with the two bunnies and the Easter eggs that I can't stop eating is from Kmart. And this beautiful little white tree is from Spotlight. And I picked up some hanging eggs also from Kmart and I decorated the tree. My white chase in my living room, I always have my mermaid throw that is from the store Typo, and I've added this cute little bunny cushion that is from the store Adair's. Behind my couch I have this white table and I've took these two white lanterns that I picked up from the store Musk, and I've added my DIY little Kmart bunnies that I added little Dior ribbon to. You may remember that from my previous videos. And I just love how these little white bunnies stand out in these lanterns. Guys, I really love how a simple colour such as white can make such a statement. It goes with everything, guys, and taking things like the pops of turquoise combines so beautifully with the white decor. I then like to also style my kitchen, guys. Because my kitchen is also white, I like to do little vignettes and add touches of spring and Easter and little bunnies throughout my home. I fell in love, guys, with these adorable little kitchen towels from the store Pillow Talk. How cute are they? And they match my cushions on my lounge. And on my stove I did this little vignette, which is the little spring is in the air sign from TK Maxx, a sweet little bunny that I've had for a while, and some beautiful pink flowers. To the left of my stove I have this sweet little cake stand and matching teapot from TK Maxx, and this sweet little bird. And where do you think that's from? TK Maxx. I also added to my little mirror in my living room, which is also from Kmart, by the way, these sweet little home blocks from Pillow Talk, and the little gold bunny is from Target. And on the table below that I've used a cake stand to give some visual height and added these gorgeous gold fake flowers from TK Maxx and combined it with this cute little pink marble Easter egg also from TK Maxx. And my last little vignette is this sweet little bunny that I picked up from Woolworths, and I combined it with the home decor that I always leave out, which is this little turquoise net ball and white bars that, you guessed it, is from TK Maxx. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I just want to take this opportunity to wish you all a wonderful Easter weekend, this coming weekend. I hope you're surrounded by everyone that you love and your beautiful families, and you treasure each moment, guys, because life really is precious and we need to create beautiful memories. So I send beautiful blessings to you all here from Australia, and I wish you all a happy Easter. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.